That's 2 each. 2 each.
In this job, we do a lot of work directly with teachers of all grade levels, coming alongside the teachers, talking about what lesson design can look like, and also doing demonstration lessons. So we go into the classrooms, we work directly with the students, where the teacher is observing us.
How many kids are eating cookies?
2.
2. Will you point to them and count them?
2.
Touch each one and count them. 1,
2.
Nice. And they're going to share the cookies.
And then we were able to meet with the teacher afterwards and talk about how the lesson went, what maybe worked well in their eyes or our eyes, what didn't work well for either of us. And then we're also able to observe the teacher and give them feedback as they present the lesson, as they work through it and talk about it. Today's lesson was using the book, The Doorbell Rang, as it talks about there being 12 cookies. I knew I could use the idea of the cookie as a different way to have a dot talk, have that number talk. We've done dot talks with these students before, so they're familiar somewhat with a little bit of the protocols and recognizing that, and this would be an opportunity to read the book, get them interested in counting and subitizing, and then pull out the cookies and have them recognize how many chocolate chips were on each cookie. So in a small group like that, we'll hold it up for a little bit, put it back down, see what their estimates are, or maybe they have that exact number.
There was 3. How many do you think there were?
3.
Are there 3?
Look, take a look.
Are there 3?
Take a look over.
Yes.
Count them for
Look
us.
at her 3.
Either myself or my co-teacher will sit and observe the lesson. I'm hearing the language and the vocabulary he's using, so that way I could, if there's anything I need to capture when I provide the lesson for the kids, I can also try and do my best to do that as well, to maximize the learning experience with the kids. When it was my turn to do the book, that group of children were really interested in definitely the one-on-one correspondence. They each wanted to have a turn to count the group of children in the story. The doorbell rang. Ding dong.
It was really nice to watch Ava do the lesson because she actually read the book in a really, not just lively manner, but interactive manner, where she was asking the students a lot of questions as she went along. I didn't read it as well as she did. I read it to them really with the intent of getting through it so we could do the activity, where she took the book and made it much more comprehensive into what we were doing.
See how many more? You think someone might join them?
Yes.
Let's count.
Sometimes when I demonstrate a lesson, a teacher feels the need to mimic completely what I do and not add or take away from anything, which is not the intent. We all want our teachers to be independent thinkers because we want our students to be independent thinkers that can work through things and solve things. So it was great to watch Ava take that book, expand on it, ask some really nice questions of the students, and work through that with them.
7, 8, 9, 10, 11,
So let's see what happens when they come and
13.
come sit together.
And so I was really pleased that you did it your own way and you didn't just read the book like I did, but you really made the book better by doing that.
Thank you.
So
Thank you.
I was really happy to see that.
12 all together. And they each have how many cookies each? 1 cookie each.
When it was time to do the cookie cards, they were also wanted to do the counting individually. They each wanted to have a turn to do the one-on-one correspondence, to counting the chocolate chips on the cookies.
It's going to go very fast, so keep your eyes on this cookie.
1.
Oh, show me. Show me.
Could you do it again?
Oh, show me. 1. Mia's telling me she saw 1 cookie. How about you, Mika? 1 for you. What did you see? Did you get to see it? The next one you'll see, okay? You'll see the next one. You can count this one for me. How many did you see?
1.
1.
So we're doing this dot talk, and the dot talk can be where you kind of hold it up, flash it, and put it back down, or sometimes you kind of
Yeah, so
showcase it a little bit. And so that's something to think about
so I think,
also.
yes, that's a good point, because I think when I did mine, I'm not sure, it didn't allow all the children to see the card, so maybe that be something I could do next time too, where they all can be engaged and
Yeah.
have an opportunity to see the card.